Hi y'all, I'm giving you an update on my new veggie garden that I just started 4 or 5 months ago in January. It's now the end of June. And yes, that's my neighbor's trash can. I don't know why he puts it there. I don't know why. His garden is right there. His bees are right there. So anyway, I started this new veggie garden this year, 4 or 5 months ago, January 2026. I got out here a couple days in February when we had a break in the weather. It was, I believe my first video, it was something like 119 degrees, feel like degrees. Now in Indiana, zone 6 where I am, feel like is different than the actual temperature. So back when I did my first video, I believe the feel like was minus 19 degrees. And that means that the actual temperature was probably 2 or 3 degrees above zero, which is unusual even for Indiana in the winter. But the feel like degrees was minus 19. What that means is that the regular temperature was minus 2, but when you go outside because of the wind chill, because of the wind, it felt like minus 19 degrees. Now today, it's the end of June, and it is supposed to be feel like weather plus 115 degrees today. Yeah, right now it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting out here to shoot you this quick video of an update because it's gonna be it's about, I don't know, 80 some degrees right now, 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's supposed to get up to, I think, 92 actual temperature high today, but feel like degrees is supposed to be 115. So I'm not going to be gardening today. I'm old. Well, I'm 65, my great grandma. So I have health issues. So and one of those issues is respiratory, so I won't be out here today. Later. So here we go. First thing, this is the update on the blueberry. Well, I call it berry patch because there's blueberries and then I have strawberries, right? This is my little berry patch on the side of the garage. Basically, I started with 634 square foot for my veggie garden, okay? So here's, I'll try and give you a long shot. And again, I'm old, so this technology, and yeah, I know the garage is kind of looking tired, but so am I. That's okay. So I have the back side of the garage here with 3 raised beds, and then I have this long side of the garage where I have a raised bed, and then I decided to put blueberry bushes in because blueberries around here grow like weeds. In fact, our little town has a blueberry festival every year, and we have about 10,000 people in our little rural town normally. And when the Blueberry Festival's on, there's about 500,000 people that come to town. So, at any rate, I was out here in the cold rain. I believe it was March. And I bought these 11 blueberry bushes at Lowe's. They were on sale for, I think, 10 bucks. And look, y'all. Look. I mean, I don't have a life. This is exciting to me. Look at this. Look at this. I have blueberries. Can you believe it? I have blueberries. Oh my gosh. Look here, honey. Sorry, I call everybody honey. I'm a great grandma. Blueberries. Okay, so if you want to know what kind I have High Bush, right, Patriot, which gets, let's see, well, you space them, supposed to space them like a foot to 4 foot, minus 30 degrees. Like you said, around here they grow like weeds. So I have berries on that one. Look at, y'all, I didn't expect berries for like 3 years. Okay, and this one, sorry, this one is a blue jay, right? And it gets, well, it says space them 8 feet. So of course I put them like 3 feet apart. So it is what it is. This one has little berries on it too. Look at y'all. Look at. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know, I don't have a life. Okay, these are Duke blueberries, which I have 1, 2, 3, 6 of these. I have 11 total. Average mature height 4 foot by 6 foot wide, space them 6 foot. Hardiness -20 to -30. So it says down to zone 4. I'm in zone 6, 5, depends on the year, I think. You know, those are just suggestions. This is a little baby one that's not doing so very good. That was kind of the runt. This one, look at the tiny berries. Oh my gosh. That's a Duke. Here's another Duke. Look at this, y'all. First year. These are hosses. They just were here before. Weeds. And yeah, here's my strawberries. This is just a raised garden bed. I bought all these raised garden beds, all 4, this winter. There's videos on those. And yeah, this is wonky. But you can there's a couple of videos on me putting together these beds. And how I got a couple of them for free. So strawberries, they're doing well. I mean, I've already picked them all. I didn't expect to actually have any strawberries this year. But they're doing great. These strawberries I had last year. There's a couple little ones, strawberries. And then the rest I bought, I think it was just 2 of the like $20 baskets from Walmart or Lowe's or something. I don't know. But they're doing well. I'm thinking next year there's going to be runners like all the way down and all over the place. So I left plenty of room here. I can put in a couple more beds or more, I don't know, I was thinking maybe a fig. I don't know. So, and here's this mess here. And by the way, oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, we're going to have to empty that later. Yeah, we had rainstorms. But this mess here, oh my goodness, they're sopping wet. These are rose and peony starts, which, like I said, we had a bad storm. So I'm obviously, these are hydrangea starts. Or they were. That one doesn't look too bad. Let's pull it up. Why not? I know somebody's going to yell at me. Oh, it's stuck in there good. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at the roots on that thing. Well, now I'm going to have to come out and plant them later. Oh my gosh. That's a hydrangea start. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now I don't want to put them back in the... I can't empty that water with one hand. I've got... Oh my gosh. I'm going to lay him there so I can come out. Oh, so exciting. And by the way, as you could tell, I didn't bother to clean up my garden for y'all. I don't like to watch these dirty water in the sea. Watching these YouTube videos of other gardeners, which I watch a lot of those because I don't know what I'm doing, obviously. If you want somebody who knows what they're doing or puts up like a straight fence or levels anything or puts together the beds correctly, my channel's not for you. Okay, so that's the berry patch, what I'm calling the berry patch for now. And here's the tomatoes. They're not doing too bad, but I have to be completely honest with y'all. Okay, so, and obviously I didn't do the fill them up right, but it's the first year. Honestly, I didn't think anything would take, and they didn't. I had to go buy these. I bought these, full disclosure, I bought these tomato plants from my little hardware store. Yeah, I did a seeding video, and I did seed some, but they didn't come out so great. But next year will be better. And next year I'll have this down. I'll have this down. These, I don't know, these veggies, you know, I did that method where you put in, you know, you fill, because these are expensive to fill, these beds, because they're deep. I got 36-inch tall, right? So I just threw whatever I had in there, some straw from a farmer. I threw in a bunch of pieces of wood and, you know, just whatever. Oh, look, there's a mushroom. I think that's a good thing, right? Tell me in the comments if that's good. I think that's good, right? If there's mushrooms, Because doesn't that mean your soil's good? I don't know. Here's one of the, oh, here's what it is. Cherry tomatoes. And then sweet 100, whatever the heck that means. Matures in 65 days. Supposed to space them 2 to 3 feet apart, which obviously I don't. These are peppers. Same thing here. I bought these, I don't know, a month ago, and they were that size. They haven't grown at all, and they're getting yellow. These are Golden Bell sweet peppers. It doesn't say how big. You have to visit a website, and I'm too old for that baloney. I don't know what those are. Those might be pepper seeds I threw in there. I have no idea. And weed, of course. We'll see what happens. These little cages, which obviously I'm not going to need, I bought from the restore, but I'll use them next year. Got my little chair. I have a chair like on every corner pretty much. I have back issues, and like I said, I'm older, so you know, and have respiratory. So I bought this cool stool, and I sit here in water. I can sit here and hit pretty much everything. Like I said, it's going to be 115 degrees. Feel like temperature day, so I have the hoses out. It was 111 yesterday, so woohoo. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.